Hello, my name is Samuel. Today I will talk about this science video. Today we will learn a topic. It will blowing your mind. The topic today is volcano. And the volcano. What is the volcano? The volcano. What parts it have? The parts that the volcano have is the magma, right? The volcano is a mountain. And the magma, it is inside the chamber. So here is the magma. This magma is inside the chamber. And the magma, it sometime will blow up. So it's blow up. It's called a volcano. And the volcano, the magma, it will go up and it sprout out of the mountain. And this volcano, it have a liquid inside too. And the volcano sometimes sprout up, but sometimes it will don't go up. And when the volcano is cool, it will change to the stone. And the stone it's called the rock. And the rock has the name obsidian. And this obsidian, it is the black glass. Sometimes it have white in that black glass too. So this volcano, it will blow up into fire. So when the video you have watched, it's very amazing, right? It's like the river and it's blew up like the volcano. So the volcano, it's will going to meet the air, and also it will blow up like this picture. And so this is the stone. This volcano, when the stone it don't have anymore, the volcano it was starting to blow up. And then the stone are melting down. So the volcano is like in the United States, the woman, it's still demo. It means the woman, it's still sleeping. Or do you see this picture? This picture is the mountain. So here is the mountain, and here, do you see this picture? This next picture, it's missing the top. So here I have this. This is called the dust, but we don't call dust, we call it ash. And now I will pull it out. This ash, when I touch it, it don't have anything. It's like sand or salt. It's like that. But the ash is in the volcano. So do you ready to do some experiment? That experiment, the red one, it will blow up, like it will grow up. So that is the experiment have. Now that experiment, we will do many things, and it have these. These are like the green rocks, and the people have make it into green like this, and to make the ring. And this green ring, the people have to make and put it in this to make the ring. So the experiment, it's like I will make a red thing, it will grow up, and that red thing, it's like the magma go up and make a volcano. So that I will put the water, and the water will make a red one grow up. Let's do it. So here, I've brought something to do that experiment. Here is the thing that we have to do the experiment. So the volcano, it will grow down, and the red one will go up. And that red one, it's like go up and here, and like something mixed with it, and then we will see it grow up. So first, when we have long hair, we have to do the first rules. When I have long hair, I have to tie it up. And next, I have to wear the goggles. These goggles will help me, like the volcano, it will not like blowing in my eyes. So this is the red one. I will put the red one into this one, and I will put some ashes here. I will put these ashes. I have put many ashes, and next I'll put the water and the red one in here. It will go up here. I'll let you see it grow up. So these, you have to wait, and when it grow up, it will have the red one in here. Let's wait and see. So that red one is like the volcano. So here is the red one that I've taught for you. It grow up here. Here. These three things, it's mixed together, it will make these. And when I turn off these into a little bit, I think it will grow up in the next. So here, it grew up into the next side. So you see here, it grow up to the next time. So today we have learned about the volcanoes, right? And we have learned that the volcanoes, it have the part is the chamber, and inside that chamber, it have some magma. And we also do some experiments like this. This is an experiment that we mixed three things together, so it will make a volcano. Volcano rocks into next time. Bye.